Choo choo. Hello friends. I am Max the train. And I am Blazin Bill the monster truck. Today, let's learn numbers from 1 to 10. Oh no, look, the number 10 is stuck. It is on the high top shelf. How can we reach it? Let's build a ramp and jump. Let's count blocks to build the ramp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go, Bill, go. Speed up. Here I go. I can jump high. Yay! Bill rescued the number 10. We did it. We counted to 10. Subscribe for more fun toy songs. Bye bye.